Neuroscience has proven that our thoughts and emotions shape our actions. Neuroscience has also proven the brain changing capacity of writing. I repeat, the brain changing capacity of writing. And writing is nothing but journaling. Journaling can get to know you about your thoughts and emotions. When you yourself know about your thoughts and emotions, about your habits, about your mistakes, then you change. Otherwise, if some other person is pointing out, you're a lazy person, we point him back, you're a lazy person. I'm not. When you get to know about your own mistakes and bad habits, that time you change yourself. And journaling does that. Journaling also gives you a tool to change yourself, to write a better version so that you can create that. Not only that, but journaling also gives you faith and courage to walk your own path and be what you want to be, do what you want to do. I want to share my experience. Last year I left my job and I started pursuing my career, YouTube career. I knew that YouTube favors those who are mastering YouTube skills. At one end I was learning skills and on the other end I was not getting views. I was fearful, worried, but I knew the power of journaling. So I took a journal, I started writing. I was not aware what I was going to write, but still I started it. When I started, I've seen that I was writing, I'm fearful, I'm anxious, I'm worried about my future, I left my job, I don't know whether I made a mistake or not. After spending a couple of minutes, I was starting to have a larger view, a bigger picture about my life. Sometimes when we are stressed and fearful, that very time we lose our foresight. We don't think about future, we don't think about past. So this journaling was letting me think about my past and future. Again, when I started writing, I was getting a larger picture. I was having a complete blueprint of my life in front of me. And I've seen that my feelings were getting changed sentence by sentence. I've seen that I was literally converting my fear into courage because the braver voice was getting emerged through my words. I was writing, I'm fearful. I was also writing, yes, I'm courageous. I left my job. And I've read somewhere that courage is not the absence of fear, but moving ahead in spite of that. I was feeling fearful, but still I was moving ahead. And that braver voice was getting emerged. Lastly, it communicated to me in the affirmative voice that Prasad, you are more stronger than you think, more powerful than you think. All the power which is needed to be what you want to be and to do what you want to do is within yourself. If you are holding good intentions, there is no force on earth can stop you. I've seen that this powerful voice was getting emerged. It made me have unwavering courage and unshakable faith. And this happened because of journaling. I urge you to write your own story. I urge you to write your thoughts on paper. Rather, one content creator is communicating to you the benefits of journaling. You experience it by writing on your own. In this video, I will share one small step to start your journaling. Express yourself on paper. Whatever you are feeling, frustrated, depressed, anxious, angry, jealous, envious, express yourself on paper. Write your things down. Then you will get to know about your personality. Also, you will get to know about the reason why you are feeling anxious, why you are feeling fearful, why you are feeling angry. You will get to know about the reason, and when you will get to know about the reason, you will also find a way to get rid of your feelings and to be a calm, peaceful and confident person which you are seeking to become. The biggest change can happen in your life without reaching to any person, without asking someone for help, without getting into temptations, distractions. You will have your answers. You will be responsible for your feelings. You will own yourself because of journaling. There is a science behind this. When you write it down, for a couple of minutes, you see yourself objectively. And that time, the part in your brain which is amygdala, which gets switched off. And that causes flight and flight response in you, which makes you more anxious, more worried, which is why you move here and there when you're stressed out, when you can't communicate properly. You speak fastly when you're stressed out. Because your amygdala is turned on. Because of journaling, you switch off that part and you start to have access to your prefrontal cortex, where awareness, creativity resides. When you have the access to this part, prefrontal cortex, that time you will create what you want to create. First on paper and then in your life. And this is the power of journaling. One simple step can let you have a power which all we are seeking, but seeking in different places. The right place is within yourself, and the right way is journaling. This happens because of journaling. And this happens because of writing your things down. This happens because of expressing yourself on paper. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for becoming a leader in your life. Thank you very much.